Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use probiotic capsules effectively. To begin, always read your specific product's label carefully for precise dosage and timing instructions. Most often, you will take 1 or 2 capsules daily. It is generally recommended to take your probiotic with a meal. This helps buffer the stomach acid, allowing more of the beneficial bacteria to reach your intestines alive and ready to work. Following these simple steps ensures you get the most from your supplement. For optimal benefits, try to take your probiotic capsule at the same time every single day. This consistent routine helps to establish and maintain a stable population of beneficial bacteria within your digestive system. While many are best with food, some specific formulations might suggest taking them on an empty stomach, perhaps 30 minutes before a meal or 2 hours after. Always refer to your product's instructions to ensure you are maximizing its potential for your gut health. Proper storage is absolutely crucial for maintaining the potency of your probiotic capsules. Many brands contain live cultures that are sensitive to environmental factors. You will often find instructions to store them in a cool, dry place, or even to refrigerate them. Exposure to excessive heat, direct sunlight, or high humidity can significantly degrade the number of viable bacteria, rendering your supplement less effective. Always check the label for specific storage recommendations to protect your investment. When you start taking probiotics, you might begin to notice positive changes in your digestion, such as more regular bowel movements or reduced bloating, typically within 2 to 4 weeks. Some individuals might experience mild, temporary gas or bloating initially as their gut adjusts to the new bacteria. If these symptoms are severe, or if any digestive issues persist or worsen after several weeks of consistent use, it is always wise to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.